I've just been walking through my garden and picked these seasonal flowers to show you how to make a simple flower crown in preparation for garden day. Make a simple base, trying on for size and secure at the back. For this crown we're adding flowers to the front third. Trim flowers down. Attach flowers and foliage to the base with florist wire or twine and work from the left in one direction. Adding foliage to the crown can soften it and bulk it out. Continue to add flowers into the mix, trying to repeat colours and patterns. So my garden day will be spent outdoors with my family, enjoying the garden and the beautiful sunshine. Anyone who doesn't enjoy wearing flowers on their head is just in denial. You can wear it however you like, lopsided, front or back. I've used roses, as they're one of my favourites, daisies, wax flowers, eucalyptus leaves and other evergreen foliage to give it structure. Now that that's all done, the only thing to do is to put it on and go and enjoy my garden.